Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. You need not copy the question, children. Work this one. I have the answer ready with me. Once you get it, you can share the answer. Yes, children, what's happening? What's the value of x? Or what is the speed of the stream? Tell me the equation you have constructed. At least that should be ready by now. Children, what is the purpose of the meeting? I don't understand. What is the purpose of the meeting? Share your equation. What is the equation you have constructed, children? What are we doing? Please say something. Do you want me to give out the answer, or are you working and are you in the middle of the working? One of you kindly. Yeah. Well, no, kindly share the equation you have constructed.
I'm doing the equation only one minute.
Oh, okay, fine. Okay, children, what is the speed of the boat in still water? Answer the questions. What is the speed of the boat in still water?
11 km/h.
Okay, so what is that you have to assume? Let the speed of the stream be?
X
X km/h. So now what is the speed of the boat downstream? Speed of the boat downstream.
1 plus x.
11 plus x.
11 plus x km/h. And what will be the speed of the boat upstream?
11 minus x.
11 minus x.
Is it x minus 11 or 11 minus x?
11 minus x.
Yeah, it is the speed of the boat minus the speed of the water. It's the speed of the boat minus the speed of the water. So 11 minus x km/h. All right, so now you have them. Downstream is 11 plus x km/h and upstream is 11 minus x km/h. So you have this. Now you need to construct the equation. What's information given? 12 kilometers upstream and downstream. Total time taken is 2 hours 45 minutes. So I've told you, construct the equation in words and then convert that to a mathematical equation. So what is this? What is the breakup for 2 hours 45 minutes? What is the breakup for 2 hours 45 minutes? The time taken to go 12 kilometers upstream plus the time taken to return 12 kilometers downstream. See, the confusion can be, is 12 the total distance, or is it 6 and 6 or 12 and 12? Is it 6 kilometers upstream and 6 kilometers downstream, or is it 12? So it's very clear. It can go 12 kilometers upstream. That means the distance upstream is 12 kilometers. It can go 12 kilometers upstream. So the distance upstream is 12 kilometers. So return means the same. It has to come back 12 kilometers. See, the distance upstream is 12 kilometers. It's given here. It can go 12 kilometers upstream. So that means it has to return 12 kilometers downstream. So time taken to go 12 kilometers upstream plus the time taken to return. The time taken to return 12 kilometers downstream is the total time taken, which is 2 hours 45 minutes. You need to first read the question and construct the equation in English and then convert that to a mathematical equation. So the time, this is what is given to you. Time taken to go 12 kilometers upstream plus the time taken to return 12 kilometers downstream is the total time of 2 hours and 45 minutes. And what is time? Distance by speed. Distance 12 kilometers. Speed upstream 11 minus x plus again time is distance by speed. Distance by speed. Speed downstream is equal to the total time. So how do you convert to, now you need to convert 2 hours 45 minutes to hours or minutes, children?
Hours,
Do you,
ma'am.
hours, yes, so hours. So 2 hours 45 minutes. How do you convert that? So 2 hours 45 minutes, 45 by 60. So 15 threes are 15 fours are 2 3 by 4 or 11 by 4. 11 by 4. Yeah, quickly solve this and tell me the value of x.
Ma'am, 5 kilometer.
Kanishka, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you get on working? Last
Uh,
line, last equation.
96 is equal to 121 minus x square, ma'am.
Perfect. Yes, yes. So you get x square is equal to 25. X is
Yes,
equal to
ma'am.
plus or minus 5. Perfect. X
Yes,
square
ma'am.
is equal to 25. X is equal to plus or minus 5. But minus 5 is not possible.
Not
So x is
possible.
equal to 5. Very good. So the speed
Yes,
of
ma'am.
the stream is 5 kilometers per hour. Yeah, let's do this one together. I'll give you a minute's time to read and, like figure out how to start. Yeah, who wants to do it along with me? In fact, all of us can do it together. Yes. Somebody help me get started.
Ma'am, as the roots are equal, we can say the discriminant is equal to 0.
Very good. Yes. So we start with this. D is equal to 0 because we have a quadratic equation wherein the roots are equal. So you need to first start with this condition. D is equal to 0 for equal roots. Very good. Next. What is D given by?
B square minus 4AC.
Yeah. So B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. D is equal to 0, meaning B square minus 4AC is 0. So what's the expression for B? B is the coefficient of X. And what is the coefficient of X? Yes, Ram?
Minus 2 of A square minus BC.
Minus 2 of A square minus BC.
BC.
Okay, so this is B square. Very good. Minus 4 into A into C. 4 into, what about A, Ram?
And C square minus AB.
Very good. C?
B square minus AC.
Okay. Correct? So B square minus 4 into A into C. A is the coefficient of X square and C is the constant, which is B square. The expression for the constant is B square minus AC is equal to 0 because D is equal to 0, no? So is equal to 0. Yeah? Yes, Ram? Next step.
4 of A square minus BC the whole square.
Very good. Yeah.
Minus 4 into C square B square. And minus AC cube.
Yeah, good, good.
Minus AB cube plus A square BC.
Very good. Is equal to 0. Next.
4 into A power 4.
No. Yes, yes, I want the next step. All of you. Ram,
4
you also.
common, ma'am.
Yes, so what do we do? Correct, 4
We
is
take
common.
4 is common.
Okay, that's right, but also you can divide by 4 throughout, right? You're right, 4 common, which means you're dividing by 4 throughout, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so in the next step, you can divide each term by 4. You can divide each term. Next step, okay? Divide each term by 4. Each term, there are 3 terms. 2 in the left-hand side, 1 in the right-hand side, which is 0. Divide every term in the equation by 4. So, cancels, cancels. Now expand this. Now expand this. A to the power 4 plus B squared C squared minus 2 A to the power, no, sorry, A squared BC. Am I right? Yeah. And now minus, there are no like terms inside the bracket. So minus, yeah, now continue, children. Is equal to 0.
Ma'am, B square C square gets cancelled.
All right. B square C square, yeah, gets cancelled. Perfect. Then
And
look
minus 2 A square BC and minus A square BC adds up to 3 minus 3 A square BC.
very good. Then the rest of the
Plus,
terms we have to, yeah, write them as they are. Okay, next step.
ma'am, and we take out A as common.
Very good. Taking out A common. A is common. See, in the left-hand side, we have 4 terms. And all the 4 terms have A in common. So take out the common factor A. A cubed minus 3ABC plus C cubed plus B cubed is equal to 0. Then after this,
Ma'am, we have to regroup the terms in the bracket. A square plus A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3A.
Very good. Okay.
Finally, we can conclude that A is equal to 0 or A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3AB.
Very good. So the product is 0. The product is 0. See, like when you have x plus 2 into x minus 4 is equal to 0, we say either x plus 2 is 0 or x minus 4 is 0. And we get the results x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to 4. In the same way, here we have a product equal to 0. This product is equal to 0. So which means either A is 0 or A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is 0. So on transposing, you get so on transposing, we have A cube plus B cubed plus C cubed is equal to 3ABC. So we have proved that A is 0 or A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. Very good. Okay. You're going to solve for x by splitting the middle term. You're going to solve for x by splitting the middle term. The question is solve for x by splitting the middle term. Yeah, factorize this, children. Factorize this and tell me the two factors quickly. Yeah, split the middle term, children. Tell me the two factors. Still splitting the middle term, is it? What's happening? Please tell me what's happening.
Ma'am, 2A plus B and A plus B, ma'am.
2A plus B and into A plus B.
Yes, ma'am.
Into A plus B. Let me check. Yeah,
A plus 2B.
A plus 2B. Yeah, that's what I have. 2A plus B and A plus 2B. How do you split the middle term? 4AB and
Ma'am.
AB, right?
Yes, ma'am.
4AB and AB. Because the sum is 5 and the product is 4. The product is 4. So the two numbers are 4 and 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 into 1, 4. So it'll be 4AB. 4AB and 1AB. Okay, so on factorizing, you get 2AB plus B and A plus 2B. Fine. So now go back to the quadratic equation given. Go back to that and replace is equal to 0. Now you need to, now for this quadratic, so what we did is this constant, this constant, we split the middle term so that it's easy to find the factors here. Now for this quadratic equation, the sum is minus 9 into A plus B and the product is 9 into 2AB. So sorry, 2A plus B into A plus 2B. Minus 9 into A plus B is a sum and the product is 9 into 2A plus B into A plus 2B. So now the two factors. So you need to find the factors using the product. So the product 9 can be written as 3 in the product 9 can be written as 3 into 3 into 2A plus B and A plus 2B. So the idea which should occur to you or which actually occurs to you is take 1 3 with 2A plus B and take the other 3 with A plus 2B. Now fix the signs. Try this. We are just trying. So take write 9 as 3 into 3 and do this. You understand? Now, since the sum is negative, you get what is the sum actually? Minus 9A minus 9B. That's the sum. Minus 9A minus 9B is the sum. But here everything is positive. So let's just take the minus sign so that you can get minus 9A minus 9B. So you're going to make combinations like 1 plus 1 minus or both plus both minus. So let's just try minus in both. Okay, let's do this. So what will you get? Minus 6A minus 3B. And from the other you get minus 3A minus 6B. So minus 6A minus 3A minus 9A and minus 9B. Yes, we are getting that's a sum. Minus 9A minus 9B is a sum. So this is how we split the middle term. So the required expressions are minus 3 into 2A plus B and minus 3 into A plus 2B. Yeah, now you can proceed. Split the middle term. Yeah, now split the middle term. Now group the first two terms. The last two terms. Yeah, solve, children.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I got the answer.
Yeah. What is it, Kanishka?
Ma'am, 3x minus 2a plus b into 3x minus a plus 2b.
Yeah. Now solve for x. Have
Okay.
the x term. Yeah. Solve for x. You have to find the two expressions for x. You're right. So 3x is common. 3x minus 2a plus b. 3x is common. So 3x minus 2a plus b minus what's common here? 3 is not common. A plus 2b. A plus 2b common. And in the bracket, 3x minus into minus is plus 2a plus b is equal to 0. So in the bracket, 3x minus 2a plus b minus, not minus, into 3x minus a plus 2b is equal to 0. So now equate. The product is 0. So each one is equal to 0. So the product is equal to 0 means 3x minus 2a plus b is equal to 0, or 3x is equal to minus on the other side, you'll get plus 2a plus b. X is equal to 2a plus b by 3. This is one of the values of x. Or I'll work it below here, root here. Or yeah, or 3x minus a plus 2b is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to a plus 2b. X is equal to a plus 2b by 3. So these are the expressions for x. So x can be 2a plus b by 3 or a plus 2b by 3. I think Kanishka got that.
Yes, ma'am, got it.
Yeah, good. Very simple one. I think this is too simple for you. Sorry. What's the formula to find the centroid of a triangle? What is the formula to find the coordinates of the centroid of a triangle? X coordinate of the centroid is given by
x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3.
very good. And the y coordinate of the centroid is given by
y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3.
very good. Let me see who's the first to give me the correct ratio. Yes. The time starts now.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
is the ratio 2:3?
Yeah, perfect. It is 2:3. Very good. The ratio is 2:3. So you can find the ratio using any one coordinate. That is, you can use the x coordinate of the point of division or the y coordinate of the point of division. You just have to write this formula. To find the ratio, you can represent the information. Oh, sorry. You can represent the information like this. So we have A 3,5 and B -3, -2. And we have this point P, the point of division P, 3/5, 11/5. Somebody's mic is enabled. Please disable your mic. So you can use the x coordinate of P or the y coordinate of P to find the ratio. Use either the x coordinate of P or the y coordinate of P. Supposing you write x coordinate of P. So you start like this, x coordinate of P is equal to 3/5. That's all. If you write this, you'll get the answer. X coordinate of P is equal to 3/5. Or you can start saying y coordinate of P is 11/5. The ratio, you can call it m/n or k/1. m/n or k/1. So x coordinate of P is given by mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n is equal to 3/5. So m into x2, that is -3 plus nx1 by m plus n is equal to 3/5. So minus 3m plus 3n. Okay, and then when you cross multiply, what do you get? Let me just save that step. So minus 3m into 5 minus 15m. And then plus 15n is equal to 3m plus 3n. On transposing, you get minus 18m is equal to minus 12n. So minus 18m by n is equal to minus 12. Minus gets cancelled on both sides. Minus cancels on both sides. So you have 18m by n is equal to 12. So m by n is equal to 12 by 18, which is 2 by 3. So find A and B. PQR is a parallelogram. It's A and B. No, doesn't take this long, no, children?
Ma'am, A4 and B3, ma'am.
Let me work. I put the paper inside. A is 4 and B is 3, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Ram, read out your steps.
Q of A plus 2 by 2, comma, minus 11 plus 15 by 2.
Q of?
A plus 2
Okay, okay. Then?
minus 11 by, plus 15 by 2, ma'am.
Okay.
And then we get at last A plus 2 by 2 is equal to 3 and B plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2, ma'am.
Okay, fine, fine. All right.
Then we cross multiply.
Very good. So PQRS is a parallelogram. A minus 11, 5 comma B, 2 comma 15, and 1 comma 1. So the property is the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So the coordinates of the midpoint. See, the diagonals have the same midpoint. The diagonals have the same midpoint. So the address of the diagonal, sorry, the address of the point O, whether you find it using PR or QS, is going to be the same. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. O is the midpoint of PR. O is also the midpoint of QS. Oh my God, shit, I cleared the screen. Just read out the coordinates, no, for me, sorry. A, B, C, D. Ram.
A comma minus 11, ma'am.
Okay, B.
You wrote P, Q, R, and S, ma'am.
Oh my God. It's okay, now tell me for B.
5 comma B, ma'am.
Okay, then C.
2 comma 15.
And finally here.
1 comma 1.
Sorry?
1 comma 1, ma'am.
Okay. So we find the coordinates of the point O using A and C. Then we also find it using B and D, because we know that O is the midpoint of both the diagonals. And then we equate. What's the value of P?
2, ma'am.
2, ma'am.
2. The value of P is 2. Just a number. Yeah, correct. The value of P is 2. Right. Please work. I'm just coming back. Yeah, children, the values of K. Still working? Class, use the emoji, raise your hand. Tarun, Ram, Subbalakshmi, Nandini. I can't hear from Subbalakshmi and Nandini. Shreyas, Hitesh. Hi. Shreya, Shri, Kanishka, Rajarajeshwari, Deepika, Satvika. Yes, children, are you still working?
Ma'am, k is equal to -1 and k is equal to 2 by 3.
Perfect. K is equal to 1 or K is equal to 2 by 3. Subbalakshmi, what is the quadratic equation you got?
16k square minus 4k square minus 8. Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. 12k square plus 4k minus 8 equal to 0.
Very good. After that, what did you do? You split
After
the
that,
middle.
yes, ma'am.
You didn't divide by 4 throughout?
I divided, ma'am. 3k square plus k minus 2 equal to 0.
Very good. Okay. Yes. She's right. Lakshmi is right. K is equal to -1 or K is equal to 2 by 3. You need to work with the condition D is equal to 0 because the roots are equal. I have the answer, so maybe you want me to do it now, children? Shall we do it now? Let me see how fast I can do it. So -2 is the root of this equation. That means it will satisfy the equation, right? So 3 into -2, the whole square, plus 7 into -2, plus p is equal to 0. So 3 for the 12 minus 14 plus p is equal to 0. So you get p is equal to 2. That's how we find the value of p. And you can use that in the other equation. The other equation is x squared plus k into 4x plus k minus 1 plus p, that is plus 2 is equal to 0. You can use the value of p here. Now open the bracket. The equation is not in the standard form. The equation is not in the standard form. So open up the bracket. X squared plus 4kx plus k square minus k plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the x square term, this is the x term, and this is the constant. This is the constant. Is this right, Subbalakshmi?
Yes, ma'am.
Now it's given that the second for the second equation, the roots are equal. That means d is equal to 0 for the second equation. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Roots are equal. So b square, b is the coefficient of x, minus 4 into a is 1, into c. From the first equation, we find the value of p because it's given -2 is a root. That's it. Now we have the value of p. Use it in the second equation, and for the second equation, it's given that the roots are equal. That means d is equal to 0, b square minus 4ac is 0. But we see that the quadratic equation is not in the standard form. So get the terms out of the bracket and then see the equation in the standard form. X square plus 4kx, then the remaining k square, k and 2 constant because they don't have the x or x square factor in it. Now b square minus 4ac is 0. Yeah. So 16k square. You can divide by 4 throughout. Minus 4 into k square minus k plus 2 is equal to 0. Divide by 4 throughout. So when you divide by 4, this one is, when you divide by 4, this by 4 and this by 4, this by 4. So it will be 4k square. Minus this 4 gets cancelled. So minus k square plus k minus 2 is equal to 0. 3k square plus k minus 2 is equal to 0. Yeah, and after this, you know. spread the middle term, and as Lakshmi told us, I don't know where the paper is. What are the values, Lakshmi? K is 1 or K is -1.
-1, ma'am.
K is -1 or 2 by
2 by
3. Yeah, perfect. Okay, next question. Solve for x and y using the elimination method. Okay. No, nobody is requesting me to show the slide. See, if you want me to wait, I can wait. My God. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. So solve for x and y using the elimination method. The equations are yeah. Yeah, I'm waiting.
Ma'am, x is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 3.
1 by 2 and
1 by 3.
Tarun, right?
Marks.
Very good. 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Correct. How many others share the same answer as Tarun? 1 by 2 and 1 by 3.
Ma'am, I got x 1 by 2, ma'am. I did not got y, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Nandini,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I too got x is equal to 1 by 2, ma'am. I'm working for.
you're working for Y. Fine. Shreyas, Shreyashri,
I'm yet to complete.
what about Kanishka? Raja Rajeshwari, where are you? Got X?
Same answer, ma'am.
1 by 2, 1 by 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Deepika? Okay, you can text me, Deepika. What about Satvika? Got the values for X and Y, Satvika?
Yes, ma'am.
Both?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you multiply this with A. Okay, and this one with B. Okay. You multiply both the terms with A actually. See, it is A into 3A plus 2B. It's like this. A into 3A plus 2B. So it will be 3A square plus 2AB. Again, B into 3B minus 2A like this. So here plus 2AB minus 2AB gets cancelled. And you have 3A square plus 3B square. Now, since you're solving for X, you have to take out X common. And apart from that, if you have something else common, you can bring it out. But remember that you have to take out x common because it's solving for x. So here 6x is common, a square plus b squared. So x is equal to 3 divided by 6 into 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2, and then substitute in one of the two equations to find the value of y. And y is, as you all got, 1 by 3. So you can go back to the given equations. X is 1 by 2. So 6 into, you can go back to the original equation. A into 1 by 2 is a by 2. A by 2 plus by is equal to 3a plus 2b. Common denominator 6 into a plus 2by by 2 is equal to 3a plus 2b. So you can simplify here. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can simplify and then you get 3a plus 2by is equal to 3a plus 2b. 3 on either side gets cancelled. And you're solving for y. So y is equal to, you're solving for y. So y is equal to 2b. I'm getting,
Ma'am, 3
oh,
by.
so 2by is equal to 2b. Is this correct?
Ma'am, wait, 6by, ma'am.
I've gone wrong somewhere, is it?
Yes, ma'am. 3.
Yeah. Right. Oh my God. Yeah, correct. Thanks, Tarun. Yeah. So 3a, I forgot to multiply, plus 6by is equal to 3a plus 2b. Right. So y is equal to 2b by 6b, which is 1 by 3. Which is 1 by 3. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, try this one. Got 4? Maybe if you work this one, you will get an idea to do the first one. Try this. Try this one, children. Try this one first, children. Then you can, from this, you can get an idea as to how to work this. Yeah. Sine theta plus sine square theta is 1. Find the value of cos theta to the power 12 plus 3 cos theta to the power 10 plus 3 cos theta to the power 8 plus cos theta to the power 6 plus 2 cos theta to the power 4 plus 2 cos square theta minus 2. Yes. We will do the second one together. You can try the first one with the help of the second one. So see here. Sine theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. Now, you know that 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. So sine theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Don't take out sine theta common, because you know that 1 minus sine square theta can be, so two terms are becoming 1 now. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. So sine theta is equal to cos square theta. Sine theta is equal to cos square theta. So in this expression, wherever you have cos square theta, see now this cos square theta, don't replace that by anything. If this cos to the power 4 theta, you can write it as cos square theta the whole square. See, this expression which is to be evaluated is all in terms of cos. This expression which is to be evaluated is all in terms of cos. So if it is cos square theta, you can leave it like that, because identities are raised to the power 2. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Identities are all raised to the power 2. So if the power is 2, it's fine. When the power is not 2, you don't know how to handle it. So what we're going to do is, where we have this cos square theta, we'll not substitute that with sine theta. This cos to the power 4 theta is nothing but cos square theta the whole square. So sine theta the whole square, just sine square theta. Okay. So take up what is given. Sine theta plus sine square theta is 1. Transpose. So you get sine theta is equal to cos square theta. The given expression is all in terms of cos. Okay. So we have this, just have this result. Now this expression, whatever is given there, that expression, look at the first 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at the first 4 terms. Now, okay, there are a total of 7 terms, children. The expression has a total of 7 terms. The last 3 terms have 2 in common. And then we have the first 4 terms, in which 2 terms have 3. 3 cos theta to the power 10 plus 3 cos theta to the power 8. So something tells us, or something should tell us, that the first 4 terms may go with the identity a cubed plus 3a square b plus 3ab square is equal to a plus b the whole cubed. The entire expression has 7 terms. The first 4 terms, in the first 4 terms, the 2 terms in the middle have 3 as the coefficient. So something like 3a square b, 3ab square. And the last 3 terms have 2 in common. So we're going to take the first 4 terms together and the last 3 terms together. So now we're talking about the first 4 terms. We have a feeling that it's of the form a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So let's begin. A cubed meaning a cubed plus 3a square b, 3 into a square into b, plus 3ab square, 3 into a into b square, plus b cubed, plus b cubed. B cubed. Then the last, this is about the first 4 terms. The last 3 terms have 2 in common. So let's take it out. So plus 2 into cos theta to the power 4 plus cos square theta minus 1. Now the first 4 terms. Cos theta to the power 4 into 3 is 12. And here cos theta to the power 2, because 2 3s are 6. So you have identified a and b. A cubed and b cubed, you can see there. So help me to fill this, children. What is 3a square b? What is a here? 3 into? Yes, you know it. Help me to fill in the blanks. You can see A cubed and B cubed. So what is A?
Cos theta power 4, ma'am.
And what's B?
Cos square theta, ma'am.
Yeah, so Ram, what is 3A square B? What should I write here? A.
Cos theta power 4, ma'am.
Very good. So this A square into B, cos square theta. Very good. Plus 3 into A, cos theta to the power 4. A, B square.
Cos square theta the whole square.
Yeah, correct. So now check if you're getting the terms, that the first 4 terms, cos theta to the power 12. And this one is 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. See this one is 8, and then there's a cos square theta here. Base are same and it's multiplication. So we add the powers. 8 plus 2 is 10. So 3 cos theta to the power 10. Correct. Excuse me. I repeat. You must simplify and check if the terms match. So here it is cos theta to the power 8 and cos square theta. Multiplication, base are same, cos theta. Add the powers, 8 plus 2, 10. So 3 cos theta to the power 10. And here again 2 2s are 4. Base are same, add the powers, 4 plus 4, 8. So now tell me, what does it make? How do you write A plus B the whole cubed? So we have expressed it in the form A cube plus B, A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube, which is nothing but A plus B the whole cubed. So now maybe you can write it here itself, to avoid too many steps. You can just go back here. When you square this on both the sides, what will you get? If sine theta is equal to cos square theta, then what is sine square theta? What is sine square theta? Yeah, cos theta to the power 4, squaring on both the sides. Squaring on both the sides. So what is cos theta to the power 4?
Sin square theta.
Sine square theta. Write cos square theta as it is. Don't replace that. If it is convenient for you, don't replace. If it is not convenient, replace. If something is not convenient, replace. If something is convenient, why do you want to replace? Write this as it is. Now here, what is not convenient? Cos theta to the power 4 is not convenient. Replace that one with sine square theta. Cos square theta is very convenient. Why do you want to replace that? Write that as it is. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. The last step, sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 cubed is 1. And here, sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. And 2 into 0 is 0 plus 0. So this will be plus 0, which is 1. So the value of the expression is 1. The expression to be evaluated has 7 terms. The first 4 terms look like as if they'll go with the identity a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. We get that clue because there are 2 terms with coefficients 3. And also there are 2 perfect cubes. Cos theta to the power 12 is a perfect cube. Cos theta to the power 6 is also a perfect cube. So we have two perfect cubes, a cube and b cube, and we also have two terms with 3a square b and 3ab squared. So we feel, or we have an intuition that the first four terms will go with the identity a plus b the whole cube, and yes, they did. The last three terms have 2 in common. So 7 terms are, grouped into 4 and 3. We handle the first 4 terms separately with the identity. The last 3 terms we have with 2 as a common factor. So we bring out 2. Children, there's somebody at the door. I'm just coming. Yeah, children. Yeah, thank you. I hope you got it. So I was telling you first 4 terms and the last 3 terms. Yes. And then from what is given, we get sine theta is equal to cos square theta. You can square it on both the sides and get sine square theta is equal to cos theta to the power 4. And replace wherever it is not convenient. Like you're not convenient with cos theta to the power 4. Replace that with sine square theta. Okay. Yeah, so using this idea, you can try the first one. We'll see it in the next class. Okay, so here you have the formula. Sine of A minus, this is given to you. If this is given, if sine of A minus B is equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B, and And if cos of A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, find the value of sine 15 degrees and say cos cos 75 degrees. No. Oh, sines are given for both minus. Okay, both minus. Then I should give you 15. 1 second. And cos 15 degrees. Okay. Sine 15 and cos 15. So let A be equal to what, children? To find sine 15 degrees, let A be equal to
45 degrees.
45 degrees and B
30 degrees.
or what can you take? Let A equal to or A is equal to 60 degrees, B is equal to 45 degrees. You can take 45 and 30 or 60 and 45 because both will give you 15. 45 minus 30 is 15, 60 minus 45 is also 15. You will get the same answer. You should get the same. Whether you go with 45 and 30 or 60 and 45, you will get the same value for sine 15 and cos 15. So for sine 15, you should use the first formula. To find cos 15, you should use the second formula. The two formulae are given to you. See, if you have to find only sine 15, only the first formula will be given to you. Only this one will be given. For cos 15, the second one will be given. Here they've given you both because you'll have to find sine 15 and the cos 15. So sine of A minus B, that's what is given to you. A minus B is equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Okay. Now, sine of, if you take A as 60 and B as 45, is equal to A is 60. So A is 60, B is 45, A is 60, B is 45. So this is 60 minus 45 is 15 degrees. Sine 15 degrees is equal to sine 60, root 3 by 2, 45, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. So root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Rationalize into root 2 divided by root 2. Rationalize the denominator. Root 6 minus root 2 by 4. So this is the value of sine 15 degrees. Like this, you should find cos 15 also. Okay, now tell me the value of cos 75 degrees, children. Now for the same, see, supposing you're given, listen to me carefully. Supposing, okay, no, let me not say anything. What is the value of cos 75 degrees? I want an instant reply. Okay, let me do it like this. If sine 15 degrees is equal to root 6 minus root 2 by 4, then cos 75 degrees will be A, root 6 plus root 2 by 4, B, root 6 minus root 2 by 4, C, half of root 6 plus root 2 by 4, half of root 6 minus root 2 by 4. Or none. Can't say or can't find. Well, because this information is not sufficient to find the answer. So you can, there's another option, can't find or can't say or none of these. Yes, children? Please say something. Or is it E? E can be none of these or can't say, whatever. Can't say, can't find. Can't find, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what do we know about complementary ratios? The basic thing you should know, we have seen it here. So you know that sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. So sine 15 degrees is equal to cos 90 minus 15 degrees. So which means sine theta, sine 15 degrees is equal to cos 75 degrees. So whatever is the value of sine 15 will be the value of cos 75. So if sine 15 is this one, cos 75 will be the same thing. Because we know that sine theta is equal to cos 90. The value of sine theta is the same as the value of cos 90 minus theta. So here in the table, you can see, no, what is sine 30 degrees? 1 by 2. What is cos 90 minus 30? See, sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. So here theta is 30 degrees. So cos 90 minus 30. So cos 60 degrees. You know it's 1 by 2. Sine 0 degrees is 0. And sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. So cos 90 degrees minus theta minus 0. So that is cos 90 is also 0. Cos 90 is 0. From the table, you can see that sine 0 degrees is 0, which is cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. Then sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Cos 60 degrees is also 1 by 2. Sine 90 is 1. Cos 0 is 1. The value of cos theta, the value of sine theta and cos of 90 minus theta will be the same. So sine 15 degrees, the value of sine 15 is the same as the value of cos 90 minus 15. So cos 75. Use a trigonometric identity to find, okay, to find this. So if tan theta is equal to 2mn by m square minus n square, don't use a right triangle. You should not use a right triangle. You must use a suitable trigonometric identity to find secant theta. Find secant theta. Given the tan theta is 2mn by m squared minus n squared, find secant theta using the identity, using a suitable identity. There's somebody at the door, children. I'm just coming. So Nandini, what's the identity you would use? Yeah, who can tell me? Tell me the identity you would use to find secant theta given tan theta.
1 plus tan square theta.
1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta, but you're given tan theta. So 2mn by m square minus n square the whole square. 1 plus square the numerator, 4m square n square. Square the denominator, m square minus n square the whole square. Square the numerator, square the denominator. Now common denominator, m square minus n square the whole square, common denominator. So m square minus n square the whole square plus 4m square n square. You're working, this is secant square theta, okay, not secant theta, secant square theta. So secant square theta is equal to, now the numerators of the form a minus b the whole square plus 4ab, which is a plus b the whole square. This identity is very, very important. Very important meaning it saves time. Otherwise, you'll have to expand it. So a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square is equal to 4ab. Or a plus b the whole square is equal to a minus b the whole square plus 4ab. So what you have here is like a minus b the whole square plus 4ab, which is a plus b the whole square. A, this is a plus this is b the whole square. Otherwise, you expand it, you will get the same thing. You need to expand. A is m square, b is n square, a minus b the whole square, m square minus n square the whole square, plus 4ab, plus 4m square n square. A is m square, b is n square. The numerator is of the form a minus b the whole square plus 4ab, which can be written as a plus b the whole square, m square plus n square the whole square, divided by m square minus n square the whole square. So secant square theta is equal to the numerator and the denominator are perfect squares. So m square plus n square divided by m square minus n square. Because it's numerator is squared, denominator is also squared. So whole square, m square plus n square by m square minus n square. So which means secant theta is equal to m square plus n square by m square minus n square. Because secant square theta is this one. So secant theta will be equal to m square plus n square by m square minus n square. It's like this, a square is equal to b square. So a is equal to b. Like as if the squares are getting cancelled. So similarly, don't cancel the squares like this, but it's like this. Secant theta is equal to m square plus n square by m square minus n square. Is that fine, children? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. What's the other identity, using the expressions a plus b and a minus b? One thing is what we just recalled. A plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square is equal to 4ab. What's the other identity? A plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square is equal to
2 of a square plus b square.
Very good, Ram. 2 of a square plus b square. A plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square is equal to 2 of a square plus b square. Very good. Just a second, children. Yeah, we'll just do this. Yeah, with this one, we'll wind up the session for today. Tell me the radius of the circle. Work and tell me the radius of the circle. Oh, sorry. Oh my God. What's happening? Just a second, children. Got the value of R, children? Got it, children? Yeah, Satvika, are you there? Yeah. Have you got the answer for this one, Satvika? Anyone else? Please make it fast. Still working or you got it, children? Please respond. Okay, how do I take it? Shall
Working.
we work? Oh, still working, huh? Okay, okay, okay.
Is the
Ma'am.
radius?
Yes, yes, Shreyas.
Is the radius 2 centimeters?
Much?
Is the radius 2 centimeters?
Oh, is it? Okay. No, I have to work. I don't have the answer. Yeah, I heard somebody else trying to say.
Ma'am, even I got 2 centimeters.
Lakshmi. Okay, so Lakshmi's also got 2. Fine. So four equal circles are described at the 4 corners of a square so that each touches 2 of the others. Is this the figure, children? Is my diagram right? Is this right or no? Shreyas and Subbalakshmi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. The shaded area enclosed. What is a shaded area? Okay, the area enclosed between the circle, not the shaded area, okay, because the figure is not given. So the area enclosed between the circle, between the circles, the area enclosed between the circles. So this is the area enclosed between the circles. This area which is enclosed between the circles is 24 by 7 centimeters square. Find the radius of each circle. Okay, so see, it's given that 4 equal circles are described at the 4 corners of a square, so that each touches 2 of the others. So you can see here, each circle, one circle touches 2 other circles. You can see here, one circle, this one circle is touching this circle and this circle. This circle does not touch the opposite circle. This circle does not touch the opposite circle. So like that, you can see every circle touches 2 other circles. So this is the figure. You can see that every other circle, this circle, the opposite circle, it will not touch. It will touch the 2 others. Now this circle, it will not touch the opposite circle. It will touch the remaining 2. So each circle will touch 2 others. Now this area is given to be 24 by 7. So area of square, you can find the area of the, one second. Area of the 4 sectors. 4 sectors. That is, I'm talking about this one. You can mark it region 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I call this 1, 2, 3, and 4, area of 1 plus area of 2 plus area of 3 plus area of 4 plus the area of the shaded region plus that shaded meaning the enclosed region plus area of the enclosed region is equal to the area of the square. The area of the square is made up of 5 portions. The area of the square is made up of 5 portions. Area of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus the enclosed region, the area of the enclosed region. So 1, 2, 3, 4 plus the area of the enclosed region is equal to the area of the square. Now area of 1, 2, the 4 sectors are 4 quadrants. So the 4 quadrants make one circle. Make one circle. All these 4 make one circle of radius r. The 4 quadrants form one complete circle. So you can write pi r square for that. Plus the area of the enclosed region is given to be 24 by 7 is equal to the area of the square. So side square. So here you get 22 r square by 7 plus 24 by 7 is equal to the side of the square is twice the radius because it is from here to here it's radius, from here to here it's radius. So r plus r, see here, radius plus radius. So twice the radius. You can see here r plus r, radius 2r. So it's 2r the whole square because the side is 2r. So 2r, the area of the square is a square. Okay. So now 22 r square plus 24. is equal to 4r square. So on cross multiplying, 22r square plus 24 is equal to 28r square. So you get 24 is equal to 6r square. So r square is equal to 4, r is equal to 2. Perfect. R is equal to 2. Very good. I think Shreyas and Subbalakshmi, right? Yeah. Okay. Very good, both of you. Some of the others might have got the answer, but might have not shared with me. So well done. All right, children. So that's it for today's session. We will have a class tomorrow. I'll let you know the time later. So that's it for today's session. Thank you so much. You may leave the call, children. Good luck. Prepare well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. See you. Any doubts you have while working, please share the question with me. I'll help you on WhatsApp. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children. Thank you, children.